Hello, dear students, welcome back. So, today we are going ahead in our book Hornbill, and from that Hornbill book, we are taking the poem. The name of the poem is The Voice of the Rain, and this poem is written by Walt Whitman. So, the writer or poet of the poem Voice of the Rain is Walt Whitman. So, first of all, in this introduction, this is an introduction video, and in this introduction video we are going to know about writer, we are going to know about the poem. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about poem. So this poem is about rain, and this poem is a conversation between poet and rain. So the poet is asking, yes, you from rain. Yes, you rain. Who are you? Then the rain is speaking. Just only poet ask one question. Who are you? Who art thou? So next words are spoken by the rain, and rain is speaking with poet. So that's why it is personification. So rain is personified in the poem. So next thing is we are going to know more about the poem, and we are going to know more about the writer or poet. So let's start. We are going to start from the introduction. Sorry, from the poet. So let's know more about the poet. Hello. So now more about The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. So first of all, we are going to know more about Walt Whitman. So you can see photograph a picture of Walt Whitman. So now know more about Walt Whitman. See here about poet. So Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He born on May 31st, 1819 in Huntington. Huntington. He spent his childhood in Brooklyn. At age 11, he left formal schooling, go to work. So, at the age of 11, when he was 11 years old, he left his education and he had left his schooling and he was working there. Later, Whitman worked as a journalist, a teacher, and a government clerk. So later, he became a journalist, he became a teacher, and a government clerk. So Whitman's major poetry collection, Leaves of Grass, was published in 1815 with his own money and became well known. So there's a book, name of the book is Leaves of Grass. So this book was famous, and that book was published in 1815, 1855. So when he died on 26 March 1892 at the age of 72, his funeral was a public event. So mean to say Walt Whitman was a famous poet. So now the introduction of the poem. So let's see. The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain, as I told you. So the rain explains its internal journey in its birthplace, i.e., earth to the poet. So now the summary of the poem. So in the poem, the poet asks the short falling shower, "Who are you?" To which she replies that she is the poem of earth. It is a strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet. The rain told the poet that she cannot be touched as she rises in the form of water vapor in the sky from the land and the bottomless sea. It changes its shape, yet it remains the same. The vapor changes into clouds due to condensation. It falls back on the surface of the earth to provide water to the drought-prone areas and to beautify and purify the earth. It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. The rain does not care if anyone bothers about her deeds or not. She completes her work and comes back home. The poet also compares the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer, travels across there to fulfill the aim, and comes back with due love for the singer's origination. Yeah, singer or its originator. So, yes, when we will read more about the poem, so we will know more about this one. So, up to here, thank you. Have a nice day.